parang the fact na nandito siya sa buhay ko, very present since nag-20s ako, that's a big deal. And we will forever need our parents, Biancs, no matter, and you're a mom. Ako nga, hindi pa ako mom. But even as a mom, you still appreciate the guidance of your parents, right? So
Yeah.
it's still important, eh. Like what efforts you do, as a parent now in an adult's life, by your adult child's life, you're still very much needed and appreciated for the help and the support that you can provide. And Papa has really come through for me in that sense na even if nagkulang siya, sabihin na natin na oo nga, 'di ba? Nagkulang siya nung bata ako. But what's important is nandyan siya for me now. Ever since nag-20s ako hanggang ngayon. Alam mo yon, weekly kami kung mag-family reunion. Talagang lagi kami nag-uusap, lagi kami nakikita. And nasusuportahan niya ako in ways na hindi niya magawa dati. And yun ang pinaka gusto kong malaman ng tao is hindi man siya naging perpektong father sa akin dati, pero ibang-iba na siya ngayon. Grabe na yung pagiging present niya as a father sa akin ngayon.